Greetings and welcome to the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, delighted to have you with us as we explore today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we curate business news from the best newswires, bringing you the most relevant updates. Before we dive in, just a quick heads up. While AI assists in producing this podcast and generating the voices, the news stories are all real. You can read the full articles on newsramp.com. Today is Wednesday evening, November 5th, 2025, and we have a great mix of health, fitness, and wellness headlines lined up for you. So whether you're on the go, working out, or just relaxing, stay with us as we get started. Here's our first headline.
Investor news breaks. NanoViricides American, NNVC, announces date and location of 2025 Annual Shareholders Meeting. NanoViricides, Inc., an American, NNVC, has announced that its annual shareholders meeting is scheduled for 10 a.m. on Saturday, November 8, 2025, at the Hampton Inn & Suites in Stamford, Connecticut. The company is a clinical stage entity developing broad-spectrum antiviral drugs to prevent viral escape. NanoViricides, lead drug candidate NV387, is a broad-spectrum antiviral drug intended for the treatment of various respiratory viral infections, including RSV, COVID, long COVID, and influenza. The company is also advancing NV387 into Phase 2 human clinical trials and developing drugs for diseases such as oral and genital herpes, HIV, hepatitis C, and Ebola virus. For more information, visit the company's newsroom at sibn.fm/nnvc.
Biomed news breaks. NextPlat Corp, NXPL, NXPLW, subsidiary PharmcoRx awarded multi-state prescription fulfillment contract from Devoted Doc. NextPlat Corp, NXPL, NXPLW, subsidiary PharmcoRx, has been awarded a multi-state prescription fulfillment contract from Devoted Doc, a virtual medical group specializing in urgent care and other medical services. PharmcoRx will start serving patients in Florida and Georgia in November, with plans to expand nationally. This partnership highlights NextPlat's dedication to improving access to affordable and quality medical care. NextPlat is a global provider of healthcare and technology solutions through e-commerce and retail channels, aiming to help businesses sell their goods online and optimize their e-commerce presence. For more information, visit NextPlat's newsroom at the provided link.
2025 BioUtah Life Sciences Awards to be presented at the Mayor Brown Utah Life Sciences Summit. BioUtah has announced its 2025 Life Sciences Awards to be presented at the Mayor Brown Utah Life Sciences Summit. The awards will recognize leaders, innovators, entrepreneurs, and companies in Utah's life sciences industry. Among the honorees are Wesley Sundquist, Ph.D., for his contributions to HIV research, Fred Lampropoulos of Merit Medical Systems for his leadership, Sean Fotick of Distal Access for his innovative spirit, Nusano for their targeted cancer therapies, and Taylor Randall of the University of Utah for supporting the state's life sciences ecosystem. These awards highlight the dynamic leadership and innovation in Utah's healthcare industry.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, newsdirect.com, and blockchainwire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.